There are some very simple and easy tips to keep your gums healthy, and the number one of them is, of course, to keep your teeth clean. Now, you could use a motorized brush and a water flosser, which are two simple gadgets which can actually ensure that you do not have any plaque, and plaque is the number one reason why you end up having infected gums that bleed. So with these two simple gadgets, keep your teeth clean and thereby your gums healthy and safe. The second tip that I have for you is follow a fibrous diet, which could be green leafy vegetables or maybe even fruits which are fibrous. Just make sure that you're cutting down on those processed foods. This will not only help your gums but also help your overall health. The third thing I would recommend is make sure that you are visiting your dentist regularly to get a gum checkup. Your first sign of anything going wrong is when your gums start bleeding. The third thing you can do, of course, rather the fourth thing you can do, is make sure that your diet is rich in vitamin C. You could take a vitamin C supplement. This ensures that your gums stay in a very healthy state. Besides this, if you do have a genetic history of any kind of gum diseases, or if you have systemic diseases like diabetes or any others which could be side effects of your medication as well, then please make sure that you are getting a proper medical and dental checkup done to ensure you combat the worst effects of them.